pa rin pinipilahang pelikula po nila ng aking minamahal friend, Aga Mulak! Ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Sabi ko na nga ba, itong title na ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko, if I am not mistaken, isa po ito sa mga unang composition na pinarinig po namin sa big boss ng Viva na si Boss Vic Del Rosario nung dinala ko po ang aking pong alaga na si Marion Honor sa Viva office. And then naalala ko pa na nandoon pa kami, kasama pa namin dun si Derek Carlo Caparas. Hi Derek Carlo, I miss you. Kumusta po kayo dyan ng mga anak nyo sa Cebu? Alam ko dyan na kayo nakabase. This was when mga 6-7 years ago nung dinala namin dun sa ito yung movie na kasama ka ba namin doon, di ba, nung meeting pa. Ito yung title na isa sa mga titles sa sinubmit niya and pinakanta sa isang, nakalimutan ko yung artist, lalaki, na ngayon ay title na ng movie ng pelikula although si Marion po ay under contract pa rin po siya sa Viva and Viva Artist Management at saka Viva Music kasi co-manager po ako doon. At in fact nga, congratulations sa naging matagumpay mong concert magiging matagumpay na concert sa February 14, Valentine's Day. O, di ba, Taray? Abot kaya ng Valentine's itong vlog kong ito. But anyway, alam namin, magiging matagumpay yan sa Viva Cafe. May mga guest artist siya dyan. Isa nga po yung anak ko po na si Niyong na rapper naman mula naman sa pinayagan po siya ng Star Pop and Star Music. O, anyway, pelikulang ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Aga Mulak, ang saya lang ng kwento kasi may kinalaman po ito sa mga likhang composition or music ng ating yumaong si George Canseco. Ang mga kanta nila dyan ay maririnig natin. Mga music, sila din mga musician and music enthusiasts and lovers ang role nila dyan. And makikita mo talaga yung real age ng isang Aga Mulak at saka Julia Barreto na nagsama. At sabi nga namin, parang nag-full circle itong si Aga. Kasi mula kay Gretchen Barreto, kay Marjorie Barreto, hanggang kay Claudine Barreto, ngayon, ang ka-eksena na niya ay si Julia Barreto. Na pamangkin ni na Claudine at saka ni Gretchen, at anak syempre ni Marjorie. Lahat yan nakatambal ni Aga Mulak, but this time, iba nga. And then sa panayam na ginawa po namin with Julia, talaga namang nagulat din siya na pati yung palang nanay niya ay nakasama sa naging leading man si Aga Mulak at hindi daw ito nakakwento sa kanya. Ang dami mga iba pang mga eksena o mga kwentong binato or pinahayag sa atin o binahagi sa atin si Julia Barreto. Panoorin nyo po ang naging pahayag po ng Unbettable Channel kay Julia dito lamang sa Unbettable Channel. At maraming salamat, panoorin nyo pa rin, showing pa rin po ang pelikulang Ikaw Pa Rin Ang Pipiliin Ko mula po sa Viva Films with Aga Mulak and Julia Barreto. Eto na ang panayam namin kay Julia. Pasok!
From Marites University, Ambet Navos.
Yes. Hi, Julia. Yeah. Before doing the movie with Aga, sino o anong pagkakakilala mo kay Kuya Aga?
Oh my goodness. Actually, just aside from, he's just one of the best ever that that we have in Philippine cinema. I think bago kami sumampa sa set, I really didn't have much expectations. I think ang iniisip ko na lang is feeling ko seryoso siya, hindi siya maimik, hindi siya masyadong makulit. Feeling ko sobra niyang focus lang, parang hindi siya mamamansin, but not in a bad way, pero like more in a way na akala ko lang magiging tahimik siya. And then to my surprise, that when we started shooting, siya pa yung excited sa mga kanta, sa mga re-record namin. When we have a lot of singers on the set, pinapakanta niya lahat. So na nagiging parang karaoke session. He's dancing every day. He's laughing every day, sharing funny stories every day. So it was quite to my surprise, but so pleasantly surprised. So I'm so happy that I was able to get to know that side of Kuya Aga. Of course, so much respect for him.
Okay. Meron ako natatandaan na ginawa mong teleserye ng title Ngayon at Kailanman.
Yes.
Naging part ba ito nitong
Yes.
kinanta mo rin?
Yes. Dati theme song lang ng teleserye namin. Ngayon, ako nang kumanta doon.
Oo. So, kumusta naman? Kumusta?
Okay man. Nagka-stiff neck ako after. But, because, tita, grabe talaga. Iba pala yung so much respect to singers because we think they're just singing, but they're really not. Like, technically, internally, when they breathe, parang everything, the abs, parang lahat pala yun is factored in. So what's happening? So much respect to singers kasi hindi talaga madali. But yeah, we did, meron siya ngayon at Kailanman, and I was so happy kasi parang that will always have a place in my heart, that teleserye.
Ngayong naging part ka ng, natuto kang kumanta, naturuan ka dito, will you consider na seryosohin ang pagkanta?
No. For fun, yes. Of course. Ako naman, for fun, pag inuman, pag karaoke, hindi ko alam. Pag sinabi namang kumanta ka, kakanta naman ako. Pero huwag kayong mag-expect na maganda yung maririnig. But, I mean, in a serious matter, I don't think so. I think I'm happy where I'm at. I'll just stay in my lane.
Okay. Sa pagkanta pa rin ako, no, Julia?
Sure.
May may nakikita ka ba or may nagustuhan kang kantang kanta bukod sa gaano kadalas ang minsan na sinabi mo? Tama ba yung sinabi niya?
Yes, gaano kadalas.
Na siguro pag in the near future or kung anumang future na ikakasal ka, gagawin mong theme song ng kasal?
Gagamitin? Well, di ba yung pinaka-ginagamit ngayon sa mga weddings is Ikaw? So, I think that's the most perfect song for weddings, but
Sa'yo, kung ikaw
secret.
Wala pa.
Wala pa tayo doon.
Malay lang.
Wala nga.
Okay, thank you.
Kaya abangan ko pa naman sa Spotify yung songs na
Oo nga.
ready to top the charts.
Oh my
Julia B
goodness.
with over 100 million streams.
Bakit Julia? Si Audrey Hepburn, nag-Moon River siya.
Oo nga eh, kaya nga.
Pareho kayo ng timbre ng boses.
Ayun na, thank you very much.
Wow!
Na-connect niya pa yun. But, kaya nga I'm so grateful because, you know, in films, when you're required to learn new things, I really grabbed the opportunity. I mean, I knew naman when this was presented to me, sabi ko, shucks, first hindi ako singer, wala akong background, zero, wala talaga. But I was like, but I get to learn a new thing. I think doon ako pinaka-game, mas na-excite ako to do it because of that.
Nung kinukunan na yung eksena, tapos kumakanta ka na, anong pakiramdam mo?
Singer.
Bukod sa stiffness.
Oh my God, singer with a stiff neck. It was very... Wala na, I have to take it. Seryoso na pag syempre nasa trabaho na kailangan naniniwala ka talagang singer ka, matagal mo na itong ginagawa, na aspiring choir member ka talaga. So iba na talaga pag, syempre dito nagtatawa na tayo. Pero pag sa trabaho na, seryosohan na, trabaho na. In my head, basta ako singer ako. Singer ako, pag-isip ko singer ako.
Pero doon sa eksena ng Sintonado, sinadya mo naman yun.
Actually, yun yung pinaka-totoo kong ginawa. Actually, yun yung pinaka-parang, ito yung pinaka-madaling. Yeah, pero syempre pinalala pa namin ng konti. Kasi in that scene, dapat nasing si Jazz doon eh. So, kailangan sintonado talaga siya.
Doon sa part na ini-interpret mo yung mga song, sariling may nagtuturo sa'yo noon or ikaw na talaga?
Yes, we always had a vocal coach, and then each shooting day, meron talaga kaming coach doon from morning till night because we need somebody to consult if we're doing the right thing, if we're doing the right stand, if we're doing the right explanation in our lines about singing, about music. It's really kami doon, full force. Lahat kami, doon, teamwork talaga yun doon.
Maybe you were not doing the right stand because you had a stiff neck.
Yes, yeah. The first few singing lessons that I did, yun ang isa sa mga pinaka-inayos talaga ng coach. Yung how I stood, yung neck ko, yung everything, your use of core, your breathing. So, yun talaga. The stiff neck.
So ginawa mo rin yung mga doon.
Yes!
Vocalizations.
Yes, yeah. But super fun.
Hindi ka naloka.
Naloka, syempre. Pero tuloy
It's a
lang.
yes.
Pero tuloy-tuloy lang, syempre. Commitment yun eh.
Ay, okay.
You committed to one thing talagang. You finish it till the end.
Wow, we are so excited for that, Julia.
Yes.
Now,
Iyak.
may I call on from Inquirer, Sir Alan Policarpio.
Papasa naman.
Pwede ka ba mag-sample, Julia?
Cannot. May auto-tune ka baka.
Sorry, verb na
Yung,
malala.
yung may mic na. Kakahiya.
Hi Julia, good
Hello,
afternoon.
good afternoon.
And sabi ni Aga, parang he admitted that at first he also felt a bit awkward. But
Oh.
when the scenes and the camera started rolling, parang it went away. Ikaw din ba? Did you also feel the same way nung umpisa?
I think from the beginning ay hindi ko na welcome yung thought. Kasi I think with a material like this, kailangan nasa ano ka na rin eh. Support ng mind conditioning. So, kumbaga, you know, once you commit to the material, you have to be 100% in it. And hindi pwedeng one foot in and then one foot out. So, I think hindi ko welcome yung thought na baka magkaroon ng ilangan, na baka magkaroon ng awkwardness. But, I guess, if meron lumabas naturally sa scene, it makes sense because again, it's a very odd and unique love story. So, we also didn't want to make light of the love story. We didn't want to make light of the situation kasi hindi naman light talaga siya. Kumbaga, we acknowledge that the material we were doing was very much ano siya, may bigat siya, may depth siya, hindi siya biro. So, but awkwardness, I think hindi ko siya in-entertain.
So hindi naman kayo parang na-pressure to kailangan we have to have chemistry here, or you think that comes out talaga as you go along lang working together? Or,
Yeah, I think with the material given it started from, you know, not knowing each other to knowing each other to getting to know and then to falling in love with each other. I guess okay lang din na kung nagsimula siyang ng may ganun dahil siguro naturally lalabas lang din siya sa eksena. I don't know, but hindi ko alam and I can't speak for Kuya Aga if internally what happened sa kanya internally or what his process was, but as for me kasi I just didn't want to feel any kind of discomfort and awkwardness kasi hindi siya wala para sa akin siguro hindi yun yung mga factor in ko na lang. Yeah.
and doing the role, ano yung mga na-realize mo or things that you learned about relationships with that kind of age gap? Parang ganito pala yung things that make it work, ito rin naman yung pwede mangyari issues, yung mga ganun ba?
I think love is love, whether if it's in a different form or in the form that we did in the film, or if I think it's all the same. I think love is equal and the same for everyone. What makes it different is the two people who are loving. But if there's anything that I learned, I think it's always nice to have a middle ground, to have that mutual respect and understanding towards one another.
Yan.
May pinatatanong.
Hindi yun. Are you the kind na nagsising along din with friends?
Of course!
So, ano mga Canseco songs ang sinasalang mo?
Well, of course, pag karaoke, tas Canseco, it has to be ikaw. Pero now, syempre, ang dami ko ng choices. Kasi ang dami ko lang na-memorize. Pero feeling ko, I just love ngayon at kailanman. Like, always. So I think that's added to my karaoke list. Kahit mataas siya, aabutin ko yan. Basta may tandway.
Suabe.
Para-paraan.
Chat-chatin with that wire.
Hindi ka na hindi ka na tapos nung in-offer kayo ng role na singer?
Mas na-excite nga din ako, tita. Sabi ko, ay papakantahin ako. Yeah, finally, I can sing! I love learning new things. So when I have a project and I have to learn something new from scratch, yan, favorite ko yan.
So after nito, mas tataas na ang score mo sa karaoke. Ganun.
Sana! Pero usually naman nasa 95. So 5 more points lang kailangan ko. Baka ma-achieve ko na yun.
Pasok pa sa Dean's List.
Hindi to 95, 87 ako. 85.
Okay. Yung ano naman, is Aga everything you expected him to be? So, during your filming, may mga na-discover ka bang, ay, ganun pala siya. Ay, early riser pala siya. Mga little trivia anecdotes na you can share.
May pinatatawa, Julie.
Meron siya naalala.
Jules, come on.
Share.
Natatawa sa thoughts ko. Ayun nga, you weren't here kanina, pero ang kwento ko, no, it's okay. Ang kwento ko sa kanila, akala ko si Kuya Aga super serious, pero super fun niya pala. He will dance, he will joke all the time. Like, bago pa mag-action si Direk, may joke pa yan na masisingit. So, it was a pleasant surprise to get to know him. But more than anything, I think yung pinaka-favorite parts ko is, the things I learned from him, outside of work. Kumbaga yung how to take care of your finances, syempre he is so goals. So, yan, yung mga ganyan, life, work, friendship, choices, career, yun ang, to me, yan ang mas tumatatak ng mga conversation.
So, madami kayong ganyan chika over coffee, over dinner.
Yes.
Bongga.
Diba?